Top 50 current affair. Question number 1. Who has become the first Indian astronaut to visit the International Space Station? Correct answer option B. Subhanshu Shukla. Question number 2. Which Indian state is set to establish its first ever nuclear power plant? Correct answer option D. Bihar. Question number 3 है, which state has become the first in the India to make robotic education compulsory for all class 10th student? Correct answer option है Kerala. Question number 4 है, in which city India first hydrogen fuel cell buses launched in June 2025? Correct answer option C. Leh Ladakh. Question number 5 है, which country has recently unveiled the world first 3D printed train station? Correct answer option C. Japan. Question number 6 है, which has become India first fully solar powered district in June 2025? Correct answer option है Leh Ladakh. Question number 7 है, which country has recently unveiled the world first 3D train station? Correct answer option D. Japan. Question number 8 है, Indian first overseas overpass wildlife corridor has been built on which expressway? Correct answer option B. Delhi Mumbai expressway. Question number 9 है, who has become the first woman fighter pilot of Indian Navy? Correct answer option D. Asthana Punia. Question number 10 है, which state in India approved the first dedicated policy for shipbuilding, ship repair and ship recycling in 2025? Correct answer option C. Maharashtra. Question number 11, in which year will India conduct its first fully digital census including caste enumeration? Correct answer option D. 2027. Question number 12, where is India first e-waste recycling eco park established in June 2025? Correct answer option है Delhi Holambi Khalan. Question number 13 है, where was Asia first vertical lift space span railway bridge New Pamban Bridge inaugurated? Correct answer option B. Tamil Nadu. Question number 14, which expressway has become the first to be equipped with AI powered advanced traffic management system? Correct answer option C. Dwarka Expressway. Question number 15, which is the first legislative assembly in India to be fully powered by solar energy? Correct answer option D. Delhi Legislative Assembly. Question number 16, which state has launched Greater Land India first transmedia entertainment city? Correct answer option B. Andhra Pradesh. Question number 17, which state has certified as the first fully organic state in India? Correct answer option A. Sikkim. Question number 18, which state has become the first state to implement SC Classification Act recently? Correct answer option C. Telangana. Question number 19, which state has become the first to implement Unified Payment Scheme UPS for its government employee? Correct answer option B. Uttarakhand. Question number 20, which study became the first to connect all urban bodies with mobile e-voting? Correct answer option है Bihar. Question number 21, where will India first private helicopter assembly line by TSL and Airbus set up? Correct answer option है Kolar Karnataka. Question number 22 है, where is India first maintenance depot for Vande Bharat train under construction? Correct answer option है जोधपुर राजस्थान. Question number 23 है, where will India first underwater museum INS Guldar be established? Correct answer option C. Sindhugarh Post, Maharashtra. Question number 24 है, where is the first Hockey India Master Cup 2025 being held? Correct answer option B. Chennai. Question number 25 है, which state will become first Indian state to launch its own satellite? Correct answer option C, Assam. Question number 26. Which state has become the first in India to have a translation system in the Legislative Assembly? Correct answer option C, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 27. Which state government collaborated with Indian Railway to launch India's first Wisdom jungle safari train? Correct answer option A, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 28. Where has the country first white tiger breeding center established? Correct answer option D, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 29. Who has become the first woman officer of CISF to scale Mount Everest in May 2025? Correct answer option B, Geeta Gomsomata. Question number 13. Which city has become India's first solar city? Correct answer option A, Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 31. Where has Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the country's first transparent port, Vizhinjam International Port? Correct answer option C, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Question number 32. Which African country will be first to implement India UPI system? Correct answer option A, Namibia. Question number 33. India's first aquatic park was inaugurated at Baghibari, Sonapur in which state? Correct answer option D, Assam. Question number 34. Which company became the first publicly listed company in the world to reach a market valuation of $4 trillion in July 2025? Correct answer option A, Nvidia. Question number 35. Which country became the first in the world to launch a traditional knowledge digital library? Correct answer option B, India. Question number 36. Which city became India's first beggar-free city? Correct answer option C, Indore. Question number 37. Under which scheme has India's first e-track initiative been launched? Correct answer option D, PM E-Drive. Question number 38. What is the name of India's first indigenously designed and constructed DSY ship delivered to the Indian Navy? Correct answer option B, INS Nistar. Question number 39. Which has become the first Indian state to use facial recognition in the public distribution system, PDS? Correct answer option D, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 14. Who has become the first Indian woman cricketer to score century in all three formats? Correct answer option D, Smriti Mandhana. Question number 41. Where did India launch its first physical UPI powered bank branch? Correct answer option A, Bangalore. Question number 42. Which state has become the first fully literate state in India? Correct answer option A, Mizoram. First Mizoram, second Goa, and third Tripura. Question number 43. Which handmade ancient stated plank ship was inducted in the Indian Navy? Correct answer option B, INS Kaunadia. Question number 44. Which has recently become the first Indian to run 100 meters in less than 10.2 seconds? Correct answer option A, Amnish Kujur. Question number 45. Who has become the first woman and president of Africa to be elected president of International Olympic Committee? Correct answer option B, Krishni Coventry. Question number 46. Who recently received approval to launch India's first private satellite broadband services? Correct answer option A, Anand Tech. Question number 47. Who has been posthumously honored with the P.V. Narasimha Rao Award 2025? Correct answer option B, Dr. Manmohan Singh. Question number 48. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Stock Exchange? Correct answer option B, Srinivasan NJT. Question number 49. Who has been appointed as the Director General of the ITBP? Correct answer option A, Praveen Kumar. Question number 15. Who is the author of the book Different but No Less? Correct answer option C, Anupam Kher.